Hi guys, now let's try and understand conditional or implication and biconditional. Alright, represented by arrow directed in this direction. Now, if you want to go in by statement, if you be persevering, then you prosper. If you be persevering, then you prosper. So, we are talking about conditional. If you be persevering, you prosper. Alright? A statement. Very sensible statement, right? I again repeat. If you be persevering, then you prosper. Alright. This is a statement of conditional, that is logical connective. Alright. If and then. Alright. Now let's try and understand the truth table. Now two statements. If you be persevering, then you prosper. You prosper if you be persevering. If and then is the connective, right? Now let's check out over here. Now P is one statement, Q is another statement, right? Now, if in this case, what you have got to keep in mind is it's only T and F. T conditional F is false. T conditional F is false. Rest all are true. Basically, this is how you just try to by heart it that way. Whenever it comes to conditional, only when the first statement is true and the second statement is false, then you have F. Alright, so that's how it is. So please keep this in mind that it's only this which is there for conditional. Alright, so that's so simple about it. Alright, so TT is T, TF is F, FT is T, FF is also T. It's only T, conditional F is F. Fine. Okay, now let's jump into biconditional. Now if you want a statement for biconditional, it is if and only if. If and only if you work hard, you succeed. If and only if you work hard, you prosper. Alright, so that's the statement that I passed. Now we are talking in terms of biconditional. Alright, so what you have got to keep in mind is, so it is only when T biconditional, it is T, and it is FF biconditional, it is T. So both have to be true, both have to be false to get T as a result. Alright, so just check this out. T, FF, T, and rest all are TF, FT, false. Alright. Keep one thing in mind. Here, everything is true. When we are talking of conditional, everything is true except TF. Alright. TF. Alright. T conditional F is F. Whereas in case of biconditional, keep that in mind that it is when both biconditional, just a way to keep in mind, biconditional, both have to be same, then it is true. So TT, FF, it's T. That's the way just to keep in mind. So these are the things which you have got to understand and keep it in mind. Okay guys, finally let's get into negation. Negation is very simple, straightforward. P, if is true, you put this sign, this is the symbol for negation. If you put this, it becomes false. And if it is false, you put negation to that, that becomes true. If I say, this is mango, this is not a mango, negation. Alright. So as simple as that. So that's what is negation. Alright. I'll have another video on what are those which you have got to statements which you have got to by heart. Then it becomes very easy to solve these sorts of numericals. Alright. Another interesting thing, like the way I keep in mind, like this you can keep it as upper part of and. Alright. So you will never confuse, because if you know that this is and, this symbol is for and, then the other one is for or. Alright. So keep these things in mind and let's progress in logical connectives. Alright. Interesting, isn't it?